Okay, so the rain has finally stopped and we can get on and do some more work on the E350. Now in this video, all I'm doing is painting the brake calipers, which hundreds of thousands of people have probably done. But I haven't gone for a standard colour. I've gone for something way out there and I'm really not sure it's actually going to work. So yeah, I'll let you decide and comment below, see what you think. But on another note, we've got the black gloss badge on the front, finally got rid of the chrome, and I think it looks absolutely sick. So yeah, let's get on and see what these calipers are going to look like. Okay, so first things first, we need to get the car up in the air, get these wheels off, get the calipers cleaned up, and then we can start painting. Okay, so we're going to start the driver's side first. I'm going to take this plug off, and so I'm going to use a wide brush and clean all around the brakes, and I literally don't want to damage that because I can guarantee it'd be like, you know, a couple of £100 to replace it, being Mercedes. So yeah, strip all this down, clean it up. Over with this on the drum. Got my protective glasses on because guarantee if I didn't, I'd get something in my eye. Always do. So yeah, so run over the caliper, make sure the surface crap's off, do that both sides, and then stick the paint on. So the calipers have been wide brushed off. They're fairly clean. They need a spray with some brake cleaner, get the rest of the crap off. And the kit I'm using to paint them is this E-TECH kit. Now it's £16, about $20 for anybody in the US. And they do a range of colours. So I don't know whether you can see that. If you pick a colour, maybe it's the colour that I've picked. So now I'm going to take the brake cleaner, go over the caliper, and then start painting. So the brake calipers all cleaned up and ready for the paint. But before that, maybe it's a good time for a shameless plug. Okay, so this perfect point in the video to let you guys know about the new hoodies, snapbacks and caps that are available on my website. So the hoodie that I'm wearing is from the Never Done range, which features the Never Done slogan and the silhouette of the E350 on the back, like so. The cap that I'm wearing is a classic trucker cap with the logo on. This is embroidered. Most of our caps are embroidered. Most of our t-shirts, jumpers and hoodies are printed. They're available on the website. So yeah, let's get back on to painting those brakes. All ready for the paint to go on. So I'm going to reveal the colour. Let's see if you like it as much as I do. Although I'm unsure about it. Here we go. It's violet. Yeah. Woo. Let's see what that looks like on the calipers. Let's get on with it. So that's the first coat done on the driver's side. So I'm gonna do the passenger side and then we'll put the second coat on. But I'm really not sure about this violet colour, so we'll have to see what it dries like. So yeah, let's go on and do the second coat. Okay, so second coat going on, and I'm really not sure about this. It could be the worst thing I've ever done to a car. I just don't get it. I don't know why I thought this would be a really good colour. So yeah, I mean it's violet, man. Okay, so 3 coats in and I'm still not sure that this was a good idea. So now I've got to leave it 24 hours before we can put the wheels back on or drive the car. So let's see what it looks like in 24 hours. So 24 hours later, the calipers are dry, the wheels are back on and she's back on the ground. Let's have a look at what the calipers look like with the wheels on. Yep, they're still violet. I'm still unsure. They might grow on me, they might not. You know when you do stuff and you just think, I shouldn't have done that? This is one of those moments, but you guys let me know what you think in the comments below. So, mixed emotions. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button, turn the notifications on so you know when the next videos are dropping, and I'll catch you in the next video.